in 4K view. Every color
I did my best to show you the beauty of Istanbul. Your support means everything. Please subscribe.
Answer the call. Through bustling streets and calm cafe rows, feel the spirit where the Bosphorus flows. Capturing moments high and clear with 4K tour, it all feels near. See Istanbul in 4K view. Every color crisp and true. From sunset skies to ancient walls, feel Turkey's charm, answer the call. Through bustling streets and calm cafe rows, feel the spirit where the Bosphorus flows. Capturing moments high and clear with 4K tour, it all feels near. Oh, see Istanbul in 4K view. Every color crisp and true. From sunset skies to ancient walls, feel Turkey's charm, answer the call. Every frame a journey, every shot alive. Through Turkey's gems, come take a dive. Feel the quality, the picture bright with 4K tour, it's pure delight. So press play, come along. Through Turkey's beauty, pure and strong. 4K tour, your guide today in Istanbul's light. Come and stay. In 4K view, every color crisp and true. From sunset skies to ancient walls, feel Turkey's charm, answer the call. Through bustling streets and calm cafe rows, feel the spirit where the Bosphorus flows. Capturing moments high and clear with 4K tour, it all feels near. See Istanbul in 4K view. Every color crisp and true. From sunset skies to ancient walls, feel Turkey's charm, answer the call. Streets and calm cafe rows, feel the spirit where the Bosphorus flows. Capturing moments high and clear with 4K tour, it all feels near. Oh, see Istanbul in 4K view. Every color crisp and true. From sunset skies to ancient walls, feel Turkey's charm, answer the call. Every frame a journey, every shot alive. Through Turkey's gems, come take a dive. Feel the quality, the picture bright with 4K tour, it's pure delight. So press play, come along. Through Turkey's beauty, pure and strong. 4K tour, your guide today in Istanbul's light. Come and stay.